Hello everyone, this is Munam from WP Swings and welcome all of you to our channel of WP Swings, where we discuss WordPress and WooCommerce solutions that can help you grow your online business, which will ultimately assist you to provide a top-notch user experience and customer satisfaction. Hence, stay tuned with our channel to keep getting back-to-back product tutorials and interesting updates. Today's demo video is on the Mautic Integration for WooCommerce plugin, in which I will demonstrate how to set up the plugin. You can check and buy the plugin from the video's description, or for any doubts you can put your queries in the comment section and we will be glad to help you. Are you looking to automate your business and create effective marketing campaigns to increase sales and make abandoned carts step aside? Switch to Mautic Integration for WooCommerce plugin that will help you to automate your business and send the customer data to Mautic in real time. With Mautic WooCommerce Integration plugin, you can sync WooCommerce data without any hassle and create customer segmentation to create effective marketing campaigns. The plugin also offers coupon code that will help you to captivate your customers and avoid abandoned carts in your store, thereby helping to get more sales and revenue. Before proceeding with the plugin setup part, let's firstly understand what is Mautic Integration for WooCommerce plugin. Mautic Integration for WooCommerce is a plugin that will allow you to sync your WooCommerce data to Mautic and segments your customer with RFM analysis. Moreover, the Mautic WooCommerce Integration plugin allows the selection of 70+ Mautic Custom Fields to sync customers' data and use coupon codes to attract abandoned cart customers to purchase by offering them discounts, thus creating a surge in sales and revenue. So we are on the WordPress dashboard. So if you really like watching the plugin setup videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. So now let us see how we can easily install the plugin. So for easily installing the plugin, you have to go to plugins and you can get the plugin from the WooCommerce. This is the plugin Mautic Integration for WooCommerce. So here you can buy the plugin, or we have also mentioned the link in the video's description content, so you can get it from there. So once you have got the zip file, so simply you have to go to plugins and here you can upload the zip file that you have got by clicking on add new, and you can upload the zip file and then you can click on install and activate the plugin. So once you have activated the plugin, so as you can see that this is the plugin you will be getting. So simply you can click on settings, or you can hover on WooCommerce and click on Mautic. So this is the backend settings of Mautic Integration for WooCommerce plugin. We are on the backend settings of Mautic Integration for WooCommerce plugin. So once you have installed and activated the plugin, so you can see you will be getting these settings. So first of all, the first tab is get started. So firstly you need to go through the app setup guide by clicking on this. So here you can go through the Mautic app setup guide. So then it is the overview section, so let's click on this. So basically this is the overview. So here you will be getting an idea like what do we create. So basically we create contact field segments for the WooCommerce store. Like here you can segment your customers and then you can automate your process of your store. So here let us click on next. So here, as I have already told you, for connecting your Mautic account, so firstly you can go through the app setup guide. So let me explain you. First you need to enter the Mautic base URL. So for this you need to create a Mautic account and then you have to log in. So as you can see that I have logged in with Mautic. So basically here you can see that you have to enter the Mautic client ID and Mautic secret ID. So for this, here you have to go here and here you can click on API credentials and here you can click on new. Here you can enter the redirect URI of your website and here you can give the name. So basically here I have created already this, as you can see that this is here. So let me click on edit. So here as you can see that I have given the name as Mautic Integration for WooCommerce and here I have entered the redirect URI, that is this, and here you will be getting this client ID and secret ID that you can copy and paste it here to connect your store with Mautic. So let's enter the Mautic client ID as well as Mautic secret ID. So as you can see that I have entered the Mautic base URL as well as I have got the Mautic client ID as well as Mautic secret ID. Then you have to click on save. So let me copy the Mautic base URL also. So here let me go to dashboard and let me click here. and let me click on configuration, and here this is the Mautic base URL, and then I can copy and paste it here, and let me click on save. So as you can see that settings are saved successfully. Now you have to click on authorize. So as you can see that the disclaimer has come. Congratulations, your Mautic account has been successfully verified and connected. So this is how with these a few steps you can easily connect your store with Mautic. So let's click on proceed to next step. And before moving to next step, here as you can see that if you want to reauthorize with Mautic, so here you can click on this, or you can also change your Mautic account by clicking on this. And here as you can see that connection status is showing as connected, token renewal is also showing, and account email is also showing here. So let's click on proceed to next step. So firstly you can easily create the Mautic custom fields that you want to create in the Mautic account, and for starting the setup. So here you can basically select as you want, like in the customer group, basically user role, accept marketing, and if you want to like select the custom field for customer ID, and here is the information related to shopping cart, like shipping address, shipping city, shipping state, order status, like what is the order status, last order status, last order payment method. So basically you can select the Mautic custom fields that are given here, or simply you can click on select all, and after doing this you have to click on start setup. So as you can see that the Mautic custom fields are being created. So as you can see that the custom fields for the Mautic have been created. Now let's move to the next tab, that is segments. So let's click on proceed to next step. So now here you can select the what are the segments that you want to segregate your customers. Like here you can select or if you want to capture all customers, so you can click on this, and if you want to select like if you want to target cart abandoners, new customers, or what are your best customers, or what are the customers that mostly spend on your store. So here you can select all the segments that you want to create, or simply you can click on select all, or you can select those segments that are related to your requirement. So you can simply click on this. So after doing this you have to click on start setup. So now segments are being created. So as you can see that all the segments have been created, and if you want to create new segments, so you can directly create it from here. So now let's move to next field, that is coupon codes. So we are on the coupon codes tab. So from here you can create the single use coupons for your customers based on RFM ratings. Like when I will click on add new rule, so here you can specify the RFM rating based on recency, frequency, and monetary value. So then you can decide the coupon code, and here you can decide the coupon discount amount, coupon discount type, and if you want to allow free shipping, and here you can decide the coupon expiry. So firstly let me explain you what is RFM. So basically RFM means recency, frequency, and monetary for the customers. Like, so basically recency means how much time has elapsed since a customer's last activity or transaction with your store. So basically you can decide the recency, like how many how much time, like the last like how much time has been elapsed since your customers has last visited your website and performed the activity. So this comes for recency. Frequency is like how much time, like what is the frequency of your customers, like he has transacted or interacted with your store, like how many times he has purchased your product. So this falls under frequency. Monetary means simply like how much your customers has spent on your store. So basically this is RFM. So this is how you can specify the RFM rating. So I will explain you about the RFM settings in detail with the help of this tab. So basically here you can decide this RFM rating on the basis of that rating. So if that customer falls in that RFM rating, so he will be rewarded with one-time coupon, so that he can use while purchasing any product from your store. So basically from here you can easily generate the coupon code based on different rules by clicking on add new rules, and you can create number of rules. And once you have like created, so you can click on save changes, and here you can click on coupons generated. So here whatever the coupons that are generated, so it will appear here, and here let's click on coupon for segments. So basically with this tab here you can select the Mautic segments, and here you can decide the coupon, and here you can select auto upload, like the coupons will be automatically applied when the customers are selecting the order. So if you want to enable this option, so you can easily enable it from here. So these are basically the coupon code generation settings, like coupon generation rules, coupons for segments, and coupons generated. So from here whatever the coupons are generated, so you can see the coupon ID, coupon code, and what is the coupon type, like fixed or percentage, what is the coupon amount and expiry date, and you can see the action, like it has been used by the customer or not. So from here you can easily see this. So this was all about the dynamic coupon code generation, like how easily you can generate the coupon codes based on different RFM and RFM ratings for your customers. Now let's move to next tab, that is field sync. So basically from here you can easily map your like WordPress field with Mautic fields. So here you can enter the Mautic field, and here you can select the different WordPress field that you want to select, and you can perform the Mautic field to field sync, and here you can click on add new row to add more fields. So this was all about the field to field sync. Now let's move to RFM settings. So this was the settings I was talking about. Like here you can decide like different ratings, like on the basis of recency, frequency, monetary. So here the score goes from 5 to 1. Like here you can decide like you can assign 5 score if the recency, like the days since last order is less than 30, and total order placed is more than 20, and total money spent is 1000 or 2000 or $500. So whatever you can decide, so you can enter it here. Like if you want to give the RFM rating like to the customers who have placed the order from like 31 from last 3 months, and their frequency is like total order placed, they usually place 10 to 15 order or 5 to 10 orders, and they usually spend like $700 to $1500. So they will be assigned with the RFM rating of 4. So this is how you can assign different RFM ratings to your customers based on like recency, frequency, and monetary. So accordingly the ratings will be assigned and the ratings for RFM segmentation will be there. So this is how you can do the RFM settings as per your requirements. So once you have done all the changes, you can click on save settings. Now let's move to next field, that is one-click sync. So if you want to export your old user data and customers to Mautic, so simply you can enable it from here, and here you can select the user roles that you want to select, like administrator, author, customer, and here you can select the particular order status on which you want to export the user's data to Mautic, and here simply you can decide the date, and then all the data of old users and customers will be exported directly to Mautic as per your selected order statuses and user roles and particular date that you have selected. So this is how you can easily export your old users data without any hassle. So this was all about the one-click sync. Now let's move to next field, that is abandoned cart. We are on the abandoned cart tabs. So from here we have provided the settings related to the abandoned cart. Like if you want to enable the abandoned cart sync, so from here you can easily enable it. So the next field is cart timer. So from here the admin can set the cart timer in minutes. So the minimum timing is 5 minutes, and if I have written like 10 minutes, so the customer's abandoned cart data will be updated over Mautic after this specified timer. So from here the admin can easily set the cart timer. Here you can decide the data to delete after a particular number of days. Like here you can decide the number of days after which that particular data will be deleted, and here you can decide like whatever coupons that you have created for the abandoned cart customers, like how much time or for how many days like it will be deleted. Like if I suppose like if I decide like 10 days, so after 10 days the coupons once generated and if it is not used, so that coupon will be deleted after 10 days. So this is how you can decide these settings as per your requirements. And if you want to like save cart HTML in the encoded form, so here you can decide like option we have provided, yes or no. So you can do these settings as per your requirement. So in this plugin we have also provided like the coupons that you can create for the abandoned cart, so that you can lessen your abandoned cart rate on your store. Like here you can click on this tick box to enable the abandoned cart coupon generation. So next field is minimum cart amount. So here you can decide the coupon generation that will be based on minimum cart. Like if the minimum cart amount is $100, So a coupon will be generated, and here you can decide the name of the coupon code, like if I have decided a special cart or whatever code you want to decide, so you can enter it here and that coupon code will be named. And next you can decide the coupon discount amount, and here you can also attract your customers by giving them free shipping. So from here you can enable this option, and here you can decide the discount type as percentage discount, fixed card discount or fixed product discount, so according to your business requirements, so you can do it. And here you can decide the coupon expiry as per your requirements. And once you have created, and whenever the customer visits your store and he adds the product and he abandons the cart, and the cart value is like $100, so a coupon will be generated for him, so that he can purchase the product again with the help of utilizing the coupon, and he can get the special discount. So this is how coupons you can create for your customers, so that you can lessen your abandoned cart rate on your store. So here you can view the current abandoned cart. Like here you can see the cart email, user type, and what is the cart total, coupon generated, last updated, sync status. So from here you can easily see the current abandoned cart. So this was all about the abandoned cart. Now let's move to the next tab, that is activity rules. We are on the activity rules tab. So basically we have provided this functionality so that you can add the tags based on user activity and order activity. So you can set the number of rules on these two, like user activity tag assignment and order activity tag assignment. So simply here you can select, and this is showing as rule number 1. So you can select the activity like new user registration, user profile is updated, or abandoned cart, and here you can enter the tags, and here you can save the rules. Same you can do for order activity tag assignment. So here you can select the order activity, like maybe it's pending payment, processing, completed, refunded, failed. So whatever order activity you will select here, and here you can enter the tags, so that tags will be assigned to that particular user activity or order activity. And you can add multiple tags, and by adding new rules. So this is how you can perform and add tags to different user activities and order activities with the help of this plugin. Now let's move to the next tab, that is settings. So we are on the general and advanced settings of Mautic integration for WooCommerce plugin. So from here, if you want to enable this plugin, so from here you can enable this plugin. So basically if you will enable this, so it will turn on the data sync. So from here you can enable this. And if you want to enable the logging, so from here you can enable or disable it. So if you want to enable the logging, and if you want to decide like on which particular order on which statuses the order can be synced, so here you can decide the particular order status. So here you can decide like orders and users with particular status and roles. Suppose if I select like order status as completed, pending payment, on hold, so the sync orders will be the orders will be synced based on that particular status, and here you can decide the roles that will be synced. Next field is add tags to contact. So from here the admin can easily enter the values, and the selected fields will be added as the contact tags. So from here the admin can easily add the fields, so that will be added as a contact tags. Next is the custom tags. So if you want to give the custom tags, so from here you can easily give the custom tags, and here if you want to disable some of the custom fields, so directly you can search it from here and disable that particular custom field. Next we have also provided the option that you can select the sync method, that is like real-time sync or in every 5 minutes. So whatever is your requirement, so you based on that you can select the preferable sync method, that is like real-time sync or in every 5 minutes that you want to sync. Next field is add marketing checkbox. So from here we have provided the option yes or no. So basically if the admin selects yes, so the add checkbox will be added on the checkout form that will let the customers accept marketing and promotional content. And from here marketing checkbox label text, the admin can easily enter the label text that will be shown after marketing checkbox at the checkout page. So from here the admin can decide whether if he wants to add the marketing checkbox, and from here the admin can easily decide the marketing checkbox label text. Next is the advanced settings. So if you want to switch to like a new Mautic account, or if you want to update the Mautic custom fields, so we have provided these fields or options in the advanced settings. So simply you can click here to switch to new Mautic account, and you can also update the Mautic custom fields that you have created. So this was all about the settings related to the Mautic integration for WooCommerce. Now let's move to the next tab, that is dynamic segments. So we are on the dynamic segments. So from here you can easily create dynamic segment based on different tags. Like here you can add segment based tags, create segment for user based tags, create segment for product name based tag, create segments for categories name based tags, SKUs name based tags, attribute name based tags. So from here simply you have to hover on this, and from here you can enable this, and here you can add the tags. So simply you have to simply select it, and here you can select the categories tags, like I have selecting like this. So this is how you can create dynamic segment based on the basis of tags, and you can simply click on save settings. So this is how you can easily create dynamic segments based on different user based tags. So if you want to create segment for user based tag, so simply you have to enable it from here, and you can add the segment name, and here you can add the segment alias, and here you can select the users. So this is how you can create the segments based on tags. So this was all about how to create dynamic segment on the basis of tags. Now let's move to next field, that is Mautic Forms. So this was all about the dynamic segment based on tags. Now let's move to next field, that is Mautic Forms. So we are on the Mautic Forms tab. So basically from here the admin can easily perform the actions related to the Mautic Forms, and here the admin can use these shortcodes on the site, and the form will be rendered there, and he can also perform the actions like view and edit. So from here the admin can easily view the forms and edit them also, and can use the shortcode on the site, and the forms will be rendered there. So this was all about the Mautic Forms. Now let's move to the next field, that is site tracking. So if you want to enable that site tracking with Mautic, so simply you have to enable on this, and here you can decide the script location as head or footer, and here you can add the tracking code, like here it is added. So this is how you can enable and embed your Mautic tracking code on your website, like what are the users seeing on your website. So simply you have to go to Mautic configuration and tracking settings, and from there you can copy the JavaScript tracking code and you can paste it here to enable the site tracking. So we have also provided this functionality so that you can easily track your customers' behavior on your website. So now let's move to error tracking. So basically from here you can see the sync log and download the log file, as well as if you want to clear the log file, so from here you can easily clear the log file. So this was all about the backend settings and how easily you can connect the Mautics and create different segments based on tag, and create coupon code based on RFM score so that you can lessen the abandoned cart rate. Now let's move to the shop page, and let's place any order, and let's view the cart, and let's proceed to checkout, and here let's fill in the details. So let me change it here. So now let's click on place order. So the order has been placed. Now let's go to Mautic and let's click on contact. So here I have searched with like visitor@gmail.com. So as you can see that this is the customer detail that has been synced on Mautic. So here let's click on details. So here as you can see that like when I will click on details, so here as you can see that like whatever the so as you can see that the order is 153, and whatever the details that the customer has filled has been synced on Mautic, as you can see that. So as you can see that the customer details has been synced on Mautic, including billing address line 1, billing address line 2. So all the details are showing here because we have created all the contacts and segments. So that's why it's showing here. So you can see that all the details has been synced on Mautic. Whatever the details have been fetched, like while setting up the Mautic plugin, we have already created all the segments while we were connecting the plugin. So this is how you can easily connect your account and create custom fields as per your requirements, and then create segments. And you can also create coupon codes for your customers with the help of Mautic Integration for WooCommerce plugin. This was all about the demo video on Mautic Integration for WooCommerce plugin. The links to the product have been mentioned in the video's description content. You can check and get all the details. For any doubt, contact us anytime and we will be glad to help you. And if you face any queries regarding the plugin functionalities, so you can mention your queries in the comment section. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the video and press the bell notification icon to get all the latest update related to our channel. Until the next video, stay connected with us. Thank you.